Hello friends. Welcome to Learn Technology channel. Today I will show you how to convert text to voice free. First open Google Chrome and search jenny.lovo.ai. Make a free account for yourself. Click on New Project. Select VoiceOver and click Create. Now click on Speaker Selection. And choose your favorite voice.
Moving on to our next mind-boggling fact. Did you know that the shortest war in history?
Now type your text in the text field. After typing your text, click on the Convert button and wait until your text gets converted. Click on the Play button.
Hi there. I'm showing you how to convert text to speech.
There you go. I have converted my text to voice. This website requires a plan activation, but you can use it free too. Let me show you how. First turn on screen recording and play your voice, and then convert that video to MP3 and use that with your videos. Thanks for watching. Please leave your suggestions and questions in the comments. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.